Live surrounded by water. This newer home features an open floor plan with modern furnishings. There are 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a den area with a queen sleeper sofa. King beds are in 2 of the bedrooms and 2 twin beds are in the 3rd, with each bedroom featuring large wall-mounted flat-screen TVs. Enjoy the beautiful views of the heated pool, surrounded by water. Beach supplies, baby/toddler highchairs, crib, pack-in play, and toys are available. A detailed welcome book will make your stay effortless and stress-free. The gated community of the Isles of Colliers Preserve offers a clubhouse with a fitness center and activity director, kayak and paddleboard launch, fitness lawn, cabanas, lap pool, resort-style pool, bocce ball, tennis and pickleball courts, and the Overlook Bar and Grill. Being located only 4 miles from Naples' famous 5th Avenue and the beach, you will never run out of things to do.